At least 140 people have been killed and more than 560 people injured after a series of coordinated bomb blasts at a number of high-end hotels and churches across Sri Lanka on Sunday morning. The blasts, reported to have occurred at churches in Koch, Kerdi, Gamda and Batikola, targeted worshippers as they attended Easter services. Additional blasts ripped through three hotels, the Shangri-La, Chinman Grand and Gainsbury Hotel, all in the capital Colombo, according to the state broadcaster SLRC. At least nine foreigners are among at least 50 dead at the Colombo National Hospital following the explosions. According to the hospital sources, in total, more than 260 people injured in the blast have been admitted to the hospital in the wake of the attack.